Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to print full A4 size paper in MS Word. Make sure printing to the every edge of an A4 sheet is actually a tag team effort between Microsoft Word and your printer driver. So most printers have a non-printable area, so where the physical rollers grip the paper. So to bypass this and get a full bleed print, follow these steps. First, ensure Word is not trying to hold back any space. So first go to the Layout tab and click on the size and make sure A4 size is selected. The size of the A4 is 8.27 into 11.69 inches. Click on that. And now click on the margins and click on the customs margins. And now set the top left, bottom right margin to 0. And click OK. And now press the Ctrl P to open the print menu and click on the printer properties and click on the advanced and make sure paper size A4 should be. Click OK and click OK, and now it is ready for the A4 print. So simply you need to click on the print and that's all. So this way you can easily print full A4 size paper in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.